A couple years ago, a member of the community recommended these metal zip ties to me, and we did a video about it because I had never heard of a stainless steel cable tie before, and I thought they were awesome. I talked about how you could reuse them, and it's just a really great, strong solution for securing things outside if you don't want to use the nylon zip tie. You know, a lot of people in the community are doing gardening or doing sunshades, and we see a lot of people use nylon zip ties, but if you're leaving that up for a long time, then it could potentially crack or get damaged over time and kind of fall apart. So I think these stainless steel zip ties are a much better solution in those situations, and we've actually seen a lot of people in the community since that video kind of use these in their builds. And a lot of people on that video left comments saying that we should use the tool, because whenever I highlighted them before, I was just using pliers to kind of pull it tight, and then you have to deal with this extra end that's sticking out, and it's a lot sharper and a lot different than the nylon zip tie, and so you kind of have to be wary and be cautious of that whenever you're building and using these. And people were recommending this tool, and it actually does help a lot, and so I wanted to show you guys and recommend this and just remind you of this great solution, but also show you how to use this tool. So essentially, it's just like any other cable or nylon zip tie or cable tie, where it just goes through. It has a little bit of a different functionality. There's not like a tab like with the nylon zip tie. There's actually a ball in there that somehow tightens it. I don't know exactly how it works. It's kind of magic. But essentially, you just use it like normal to secure that in place. And then you need a little bit of a tail sticking out. And here I've just got a tarp with a grommet on it, but I think this is really useful in builds like trellises or something where you're using cattle panels or hardware cloth or chicken wire, something like that. I think these really come in handy, but just for illustration purposes, I'll use it here with this tarp. But essentially, just pull it tight. But then you use this tool, and you can see here, there's kind of an opening, and then you can see where it kind of pinches and pulls it back. But you just stick this in there like that, slide it all the way back, and then put this up against the head of the tie, and then it pinches, pushes forward, pinches, pushes forward. But then once you get it to that situation, or to the tightness that you're happy with, it's got this lever here. You just pull this up, and it cuts that extra part off. So it sits pretty close to the head of the zip tie, and you can kind of adjust and move it up and back depending on where you'd want that. And if you're reusing these, like I mentioned in that last video, you may want to leave more of an end here, but essentially it cuts it really easily. And something else I realized too is you could use this to eventually cut it off. If you're ready to take this off of your build, you can kind of put it on there and then use this lever and break it loose. And so that's something to keep in mind too, kind of use it for that, because otherwise you have to use pliers or some other way to cut this, and it is stainless steel, so it's not the easiest thing in the world. But that tool is really helpful, really useful, and I think these are awesome for builds. So just wanted to show these again and show you that tool. So hopefully you found this useful and can use it in your projects. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.